In our last video, we talked about the benefits of an electric vehicle. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how gasoline cars has EVs beat. Let's get started.
Get fixed. Let's get it.
The number one way gasoline cars has EVs beat is through range and refueling. For example, when you completely fill up a gasoline car, you're able to go the greater distance than you can in an EV vehicle, typically. The whole process of putting gas in the car typically takes no longer than about 5 minutes, whereas charging the car can take anywhere from like 30 minutes to like 5 hours to completely charge it. It might take longer, I don't know. Reason number two gasoline cars has EVs beat is through the initial cost. It's typically cheaper to get a gasoline powered vehicle versus an electric EV. Those are in the higher range, like $50,000, $60,000 brand new, all the way up to like $150,000. Whereas your gasoline vehicles, you could get cars ranging from like $18,000 all the way up to like $40,000, but it is in the lower range. Number three, gasoline vehicles have the infrastructure. They've been doing it for hundreds of years, so of course they're going to have the infrastructure to back them up. There isn't that much charging stations when you go to a gas station. You don't see much charging stations. Some neighborhoods do have it, but it's rare that you're going to see a neighborhood with a charging station in it. And I only know one gas station that has a charging station. I don't really see too much of them around. Number four, the performance. Some high performance gasoline cars are more favorable because of the dynamic driving, the engine sound, and so on. I don't care about that. Actually, yes, I do. A lot of people just love that traditional driving experience. A lot of people could go without it. And last but not least, number five, the resale value. It's a little bit more predictable to guess what a gasoline car would resell for than what an EV would sell for. They're pretty much new to the market, so they're not going to be that easy for you to predict exactly how much it's going to cost used. And there you have it, guys. Let's have a discussion down in the comments below. Which one do you think is better, electric vehicle or gasoline? Anyways, guys, been GD here from Get Fixed, and I'm out. Peace.
Let's get it.